Bilang isa!
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Yung kamay nandito na pag nag-gano side kick.
8,
Kamay pag nag-back kick nandito na.
pair,
Repair. Repair.
1, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Kasi.
close, 5,
Ang kick to the groin.
6,
Side kick. Then back kick. Nandito kamay.
back kick, 7, pair,
Yan na. Center. Nakipila kayo.
okay, 1, 2, 3,
O yan. Ito yung may push ng katawan. Ha?
4, 5,
Go.
6,
Back kick.
7, grab, shout. Okay, next.
Doon.
Rock dito, okay? Forward stance.
Right.
Left lock.
Forward stance right.
Okay, tapos. Step,
Post stance.
pause,
With parry block.
carry lock.
Dito po. Ano dito?
Ito ba itong yan? Yan. Okay. Okay. Next is
Deep kick to the groin.
frontal kick to the groin. Then, baba. Big punch to the face. Okay. Turn, step. Forward stance.
Post ulit.
Pause.
Twist.
Body block. Frontal kick to the groin. Baba. Yun. Yun na. Ito muna. Okay. Balik tayo dun sa grab. Grab. Okay, ready. Shout. Okay. Side. 1. Step. Pose. Frontal kick. Frontal kick to the groin. Tapos, straight punch to the face. Okay. Turn.
Turn.
Step. Pause. Frontal kick to the groin. Straight punch to the face. Face. X. Okay. Center.
Ito ha. Pinuha ha.
Center stance.
Balance stance. Oh. Balance stance. Ay, pasak lang.
X. Tiron.
Zero.
Close.
Vertical punch.
Vertical punch to the face.
Paano? Pasak lang ulit.
Stance pa rin ha. Tiron stance. Vertical punch. Tiron stance. Vertical punch. Shout. Okay, muna na. Okay, balik. Sa una. Okay, ready. Sa pugay. Ay, straight niya. Sa pugay. Pugay.
Yan nga mga sa YouTube. Ano? Pagka gusto nyo pag-aaral sa bahay.
Ano? Sa pa. Sa pugay. Pugay.
Malakas! Bilang isa!
1, 2, 3, 4. Close. Frontal kick. Side kick. Back kick. Prepare. Wala gagalaw-galaw. Wala magkakamot dyan. Kapag doon lang yung kailangan, din lang. Wala lang necessary movements.
Ganito ko lang kamay ha. Basta ano.
Fair.
Hindi
Okay.
namin prepare, nakaganto na kayo.
Ang katawan hindi nakaside. Nakaharap sa center. Okay, 1. 2. 3. 4.
Oo.
5. Loose. 5. Tag kick. Side kick. Back kick.
Diretso.
Fair. Okay, center tayo ha.
Ano yun, nakaganto na. Prepare. Prepare.
Third block. Ay, next block. Up. Upward X. Downward scoop. Outside scoop. Elbow. Back fist. Final slide. Grab. Shot. Okay. Dito tayo sa slide ha. Okay. Let's pass. Ano?
Isa.
Yan. Stance. Second block.
Boss.
Step. Step. Pause.
Hindi, balik, balik, balik. Forward start.
Step. Pause.
Oo. Okay, good kick to the goal.
Tag kick to the groin.
Then straight up.
Straight punch. Okay, turn. Step.
Step.
Pause. Tag kick to the groin. Punch. Center. Pivot stance.
Go.
Vertical punch. Giron. Vertical. Giron. Vertical. Down. Okay. Leg. Loose. Ugay. Pa. Okay, walang count ha. Diretso. Okay, ready. Isang pugay. Ugay.
Hop! Walang kas.
Bilang isa.